Welcome to Bike Shift. In today's video, we are diving into something truly futuristic and powerful, the 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41. This next-generation aircraft is expected to redefine aerial combat with unmatched speed, advanced stealth, and cutting-edge technology. Let's explore what makes this rumored interceptor one of the most talked-about projects in modern aviation. The MiG-41 is being developed as the successor to the legendary MiG-31 Foxhound, which has been a backbone of Russian air defense for decades. Designed by Mikoyan, the MiG-41 is expected to push beyond traditional fighter jet capabilities and enter the realm of sixth-generation warfare. This aircraft is not just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation aimed at handling modern threats, including hypersonic weapons and space-based targets. One of the most exciting aspects of the MiG-41 is its rumored top speed. Reports suggest it could reach speeds of Mach 4 or even higher, making it one of the fastest aircraft ever built. This incredible velocity would allow it to intercept threats faster than any current fighter jet. The aircraft is also expected to operate at extremely high altitudes, possibly even near space levels, giving it a strategic advantage in surveillance and interception missions. Unlike older interceptors, the MiG-41 is expected to feature advanced stealth technology, reducing its radar signature significantly. This means it can operate undetected in hostile environments, making it far more effective in modern combat scenarios. In addition, the jet is rumored to include artificial intelligence-assisted systems, advanced avionics, and next-gen radar capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously, including hypersonic missiles. The MiG-41 could be equipped with hypersonic missiles, allowing it to strike targets at extreme speeds with high precision. Some reports even suggest that it may have limited anti-satellite capabilities, making it capable of engaging targets in low Earth orbit. This would make the MiG-41 not just a fighter jet, but a multi-domain weapon system designed for air, space, and electronic warfare. Another futuristic feature being discussed is the possibility of an unmanned or optionally piloted version. This would allow missions to be carried out without risking a pilot's life, especially in high-risk combat zones. Such capabilities would place the MiG-41 among the most advanced military aircraft concepts in the world. While the MiG-41 is still largely in the conceptual or early development phase, it is expected to enter service sometime in the late 2020s or early 2030s. However, developing such advanced technology comes with major challenges, including cost, engineering complexity, and testing requirements. The 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41 represents the future of aerial warfare, faster, smarter, and more powerful than anything we've seen before. If these expectations become reality, it could completely change how air defense and combat missions are carried out. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more updates on the world's most advanced machines, from superbikes to next-gen aircraft.